and the corners here is made from the very best trio punch, which is like basically has 3 different things that you can do. I'm just gonna see, shall I give you an example? So let me just see if you haven't used this before. So what I've done is I've used that, and you push it in, and then you want to press this down in the middle, okay, and there you get that shape. Now in order to get the same on the other side, so you just turn it, flip it over, and make sure it goes right to the end, and there, that way, there's how you get that shape. It's cool, huh? So yeah, so that's how I've done that. So let's have a look and see what you get if you do all 4 corners. Right, and then flip it to do the other side. Yeah, so now you've got this label shape. It's a really, really cool punch. So if you haven't got that, I recommend it. I totally, highly recommend it. It's really useful. And this side as well, actually. It's a bit of a, I kind of have to eyeball this part. Let's have a look. Yeah, and now you've got that slit as well. So if I do the same on this side, now I've got 2, and I can basically feed the ribbon through that way. So it's really cool punch to work with.